Welcome. Today, we're diving into an awesome Excel trick that will save you tons of time. How to jump to any sheet in your workbook in just seconds. This is especially handy when you're working with a lot of sheets and don't want to waste time clicking around. Stick with us, and we'll show you exactly how it's done. Let's be real. If you're dealing with a workbook that has loads of sheets, scrolling through them using those little navigation arrows at the bottom left corner can get frustrating. It's slow, and finding the sheet you want can feel like a chore, especially when the list of sheets seems endless. But don't worry, there's a much faster way to find and jump to any sheet you need. And here's the best part. It's super simple. Ready? Let's get started. First, take a look at the bottom left corner of your Excel screen, where the sheet navigation arrows are located. Instead of clicking those arrows repeatedly, move your cursor to the space between the arrows, and here comes the trick. Right-click. As soon as you right-click, a pop-up window appears. This window shows a full list of all the sheets in your workbook, organized neatly. It's like having a handy menu of all your sheets at your fingertips. You can easily scroll through the list to find the sheet you're looking for. For example, let's say we want to open the last sheet in the workbook. All we need to do is scroll down, select the sheet we want, click OK, and boom, we're there in an instant. This trick works for jumping to any sheet in the workbook, no matter how many sheets there are. It's quick, it's easy, and once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Did this quick Excel tip help you? If so, type yes in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to check out more of our Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.